Hi everyone! Today I'll walk you through how to dropship from Alibaba to Amazon the right way so you don't get banned and start building your e-commerce business today. So let's get started. First, you need to understand the Amazon's dropshipping policy. The Amazon allows dropshipping only if you are the seller of record. You don't use a third-party branding or invoices. Be responsible for the customer service and returns and not reveal you are using dropshipping supplier. And then the Alibaba for Amazon dropshipping is directly risky if not done correctly. The best method is you can use an Alibaba suppliers who allow a blind dropshipping or private labeling or ship inventory to Amazon FBA. Then after that, you can create your Amazon seller account. Go to your sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up as an individual or professional seller. Submit a required document or verify your identity. Then, find a product to sell on Alibaba. Go to Alibaba and look for a low cost, high demand products, good supply ratings, and fast shipping. And you can also message the suppliers. Then, after that, you can create your Amazon product listing. All you need to do is to use the photos and from the supplier or take your own, and then you can add a clear title, bullet points with the features and benefits of your products, proof competitive pricing, accurate weight and dimension, and you must upload your own branding if you're doing private label. Then after that, fulfill the orders manually from Alibaba. And for the safer alternative method, use FBA or 3PL. And that's it. That's how you can drop ship your Alibaba to Amazon. Just make sure to follow Amazon's policy or use FBA if you want to build a real and long term brand. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.